Today I'm painting this soft and delicate magnolia flower in watercolor, using gentle washes and layered colors to bring the petals to life. I started by mixing quin red with a tiny touch of phthalo blue-green shade to create a soft pink-violet color. I also mixed in a little transparent orange to make a light peach tone for some of the warmer areas. Working one petal at a time, I first wet the petal with a clean water, then added a light wash, leaving some white spaces untouched for highlights. That helps keep the petal looking soft and luminous. I repeated this light wash on all the petals, and in some of the lighter area, I added the peach mix to create a gentle warmth. Then I slowly started building the petals with a slightly creamier mix of the same colors. Sometimes I used a little more red and sometimes a little more blue, depending on what I saw in the reference image. That small shift in color helps create depth and gives the petals a more natural look. I kept layering slowly and softly, watching the reference image as I worked, and gradually built the flowers while keeping the watercolor transparent and delicate. Once the first flower was done, I repeat the same layering process on each petal and slowly completed the rest of the flowers. I've increased the speed here a little to keep the process moving. Before painting the stem and branches, I started with a first layer of green gold on the green parts just below the flowers and on the buds as well. I then added a slight touch of peachy red in some areas to create a gentle shadow and more depth. For the branches, I began with a light blue wash, then slowly built the darker values using a mix of blue and red to create a deeper violet tone. I also added a small touch of green for more depth and used burnt sienna in some area to give the branches a more natural look. For the background, I went with a very light wash using the same colors I used in the flowers, creating a soft pastel tone that brings everything together without overpowering the painting. I wanted to stay soft and airy, adding a gentle sense of depth while keeping the flower as the main focus. At the end, I applied one more light wash in the background, and once it is dried, I added another soft glaze around the flower to increase the value slightly. This helps create more depth and made the flower stand out beautifully. I used the same color mix with the small variations which created a different shades of green, blue and violet throughout the background. I also added a touch of burnt sienna and transparent orange for warmth and natural variation. Most of the background was painted using the wet on wet technique. I worked section by section, wetting one area first, painting into it, and then moving on to the next area. This helped me keep the background soft, flowing and blended. At the end, I used Dr. P.H. Martin bleed proof white in a few areas where I wanted to restore the highlights. Sometime while painting the background, some of the lighter areas get covered. So this helps me bring back those soft white details. I painted this on Arches watercolor paper. and I really enjoy the soft layering process in this piece. This original painting is available for purchase on my website. The link is in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more video, and thank you so much for watching.